Hi, it's Emily and thank you so much for clicking this video. So for today I want to do a Glam purple cut crease, and this is the makeup look that I ended up creating. And if you like it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up as well as subscribe if you haven't joined already, and let's jump into the look. For my shadows today, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette as well as the Morphe 25L palette, but like always you don't have to use the same palettes as me, you can always just use similar colors. I'm first going to be going in with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot just to prime my lids and make sure that my shadows stay in all day. I'm then going to immediately set that primer with Virgin. I'm first going to be picking up Heart and putting that at the very high point of my crease. Taking a smaller blending brush, I'm then going to pick up some of Gumdrop and put that in my crease to start building up the color. I'm then going to pick up some of Bite Me and put that in the outer corner of the lid and blend that into the crease. I'm then going to cut the crease at the very front of my eye, and for that I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm then going to be picking up some Snack and putting that on the very top of the concealer that we just put down. So I'm going to quickly go do the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back to finish up my eyes. Okay, so I'm back from doing the rest of my makeup and I'm going to pick up some of Bite Me and put that on the very outer edge of my lower lash line. I'm then going to pick up some of Gumdrop and smudge that all out on my lower lash line. And lastly, for my lower lash line, I'm going to pick up some of Snack and put that on the very inner corner. I'm then going to pick up some Jawbreaker and put that in the very inner corner of my eyelid as well as my brow bone. Then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Pixie by Petra Double Brush Mascara. So for my lips today, I decided to use the Fenty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow. And here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to leave a comment down below of any future videos you'd like to see me create, as well as give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to subscribe if you haven't joined the family already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.